This over here will be a spacious living and dining area. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you can place your king or queen size bed along. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project La Mer 1 by La Mer Homes LLP located in Panvel. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now we are standing inside the sales office of the project. From here to my right, you can see the actual land parcel where the towers will be constructed. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5.5 acres that will have total of 6 towers of ground plus 22 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, separate ground plus 3 level of clubhouse, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area, and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Mumbai-Goa Highway, Palace Fata, Panvel, from where Panvel railway station is only at a distance of 15 minutes. Navi Mumbai International Airport is only at a distance of 15 minutes. Atal Setu is only at a distance of 20 minutes. You have D-Mart only at a distance of 3 to 4 minutes. And you have school, colleges, hospital only at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing outside the 1 BHK of the residential project La Mer 1. This 1 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 440 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder is providing. As we enter, you can see this over here will be a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles at the whole flat. You can place a sofa, center table and customize a TV unit in the living. You will also be getting full French windows with a balcony provided. Your balcony is also very spacious if you want to place your swings, tea tables and tea chairs. And this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily fit a 4 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and bedroom. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. And you will also be getting full French windows. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator. And opposite to the kitchen, you have an extra utility space provided where you can place your washing machine. Opposite to the kitchen, we also have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 1 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner. And you will be getting half French windows with glass facade in your master bedroom to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 1 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project La Mer 1. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments. And don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 1 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project La Mer 1 by La Mer Homes LLP located in Panvel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.